You can change the user interface in Salesforce whenever you're viewing records. Now I'm on a contact record here, and I've got this set for full view, and you'll notice that our related lists are not over on the right or the left, but down below, scrolling down. Now the way that you can adjust this setting either from grouped view or full view, which this is full view, is to go to record page settings inside of setup. And so I've searched for record page inside of setup, and that brings up the option for record page settings. And you'll notice that in my org, what I have checked is known as full view. And referring back to this, this is what full view looks like. There's not a left 2/3 and a right third or vice versa. It is uniform across different objects as well because I've got full view set up here. If I go into an opportunity, it's the same sort of experience. And we have our hyperlinks for our related lists, where you can scroll down to the bottom to bring up the different related lists on whatever object you're looking at. Same goes for accounts as well. We've got full view here. This is an org-wide setting for user interface for all users. If you want to change to the more traditional Lighting Experience group view, you can select that and click Save. And then this will tell us that if you have any custom pages, these objects have org default record page assignments. You can select whichever objects you want to set its new org default as group view. So I'm going to leave the defaults here for these particular pages and click enable. And so now we have checked group view. If I go back and tab over into my account record and click refresh, now we should see the more traditional, or what you may be used to, group view, where we have the left 2/3, at least on the account. We have related lists, details, and news on the right third. We have activity management and chatter. If we go into contacts and go into an individual contact record, you'll see that that is also a grouped view. Let's go over into opportunities, and you may notice that here we have activity management on the left 2/3, related lists on the right third. So that varies depending on what object you're on. Salesforce doesn't make that standard across all objects either. You can adjust this and customize this to make it more standardized, but that is how you can go from full view to group view. It may differ depending on what org preference you have. And so if you found this Salesforce video helpful, please do like, subscribe, and also share what you'd like to learn next in the comments down below. And I just might make it my next Salesforce video. And until then, I'll see you in the cloud.